speak.
Listen, Mr. Rathi, sir,
He's
this
also an Indian
you have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense? How dare
I asked
Then
you a
you've made a
question.
How dare he say?
I asked
How
you a
dare I
question,
ask you?
sir.
Why are you
On this
asking me?
platform.
He's made a
I
point.
will never do
We're
that
all
again.
going to
Don't
break
take
your
it, sir. Do not threaten.
Never ever do that
Okay,
again to my
one
party.
second.
Threaten again.
We are
Never ever
all
do
just
that
one
again.
second.
I warn you here.
Yeah,
I
Maharashtra.
warn you.
What are you doing?
Never ever make a personal comment
Please
about
show
my
me the
leader.
personal comment.
I
Please
will
show
tell
me.
you.
What was the- what
How
was the
dare you
personal
say
comment?
that this nation will become a nation of one leader, Modi ji? How?
दोस्तों नमस्कार। दोस्तों, आज तक वालों ने कॉन्क्लेव ऑर्गेनाइज की। उस कॉन्क्लेव के अंदर आपको मालूम है ये सबको बुलाते हैं एक एक करके। उसमें गौरव भाटिया जी भी आए हुए थे और राजदीप की आप आदत जानते हैं, चाटू का पत्रकार है, उसने मोदी जी के बारे में बोल दिया और जैसे ही उसने बोला गौरव भाटिया साहब भड़क गए और भाटिया साहब ने जो 5 मिनट 6 मिनट तक जो राजदीप की जो बत्ती बजाई है दोस्तों, मतलब ये समझ लो कि उसको इतना बुरा रगड़ा है कि राजदीप की शक्ल देखने वाली थी। ऐसे लग रहा था कि जैसे अभी ये यहाँ पे मुँह तो देगा। इतना बुरा हाल करा, पूरी पब्लिक देख रही थी और भाटिया साहब भड़क गए और बिल्कुल जेन्युइन भड़के हैं वो। उन्होंने सही बातें की हैं। आपने डिबेट की क्लिप्स देखी हैं, पूरी डिबेट देखेंगे आपको मज़ा आ जाएगा दोस्तों। और राजदीप की शक्ल देख के सच कहता हूँ इतना मज़ा आया है कि मैं क्या बताऊँ आपको। सारी जिंदगी ये मोदी जी के चक्कर में लगा रहा है, लेकिन आज के बाद ये भाटिया साहब के सामने तो कम से कम कभी नहीं करेगा। डिबेट देखिएगा, पूरी डिबेट देख के डिबेट पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, कमेंट्स में जरूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।
Amitabh Tiwari, is that the real issue? The real issue in this country is that we don't have a right to recall. Sunny Deol attended Parliament just a couple of, just a minute,
one
sir.
nation, one election.
Just a minute.
That are the different
Sir,
topics. Let's
no,
debate
1
the
minute.
topic. Why
The
are
real-
we digressing
no, sir.
from
The
the topic?
Sir, you cannot.
We are digressing from the
Hitesh,
topic,
Hitesh,
Rajesh.
please.
This is the way he wants.
Sunny Deol attended
Rajesh,
Parliament a couple of times for
take
5
more
years.
time than the
I don't have a right to recall. A government is chosen.
Grind with the BJP. Don't do this, please.
No, all
You are
sides-
talking about what kind of electoral reforms we are having.
Come back to us to seek a response. Or I ask you now. leave it.
Amitabh has got
No, no,
only
I know.
30 seconds so far.
Okay.
You have had 6 minutes.
Yes, I
Have
represent
equal-
the
give him
Bharatiya
equal time.
Janata Party. You are raising questions at Narendra Modi ji and the government. I need to respond. Now listen
I
to
will
me.
let you, let him
I
finish.
ask you a question.
I will let you, first he must start. No,
How
sir.
dare you say that democracy will not be taken forward by this? I ask you a question, please answer. Right now, a voter gets how many opportunities to vote in the assembly or the Lok Sabha? Tell me. Answer. 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 You don't have an answer. Second.
1 minute, sir.
Can I please come in?
Radeep, how many times would the voter get an opportunity to vote in the assembly and the Lok Sabha after one nation, one poll? Same. Why do you say that democracy will not be...
Can I please come in for a
Second.
minute?
Second,
No, he
please.
must let him, he's on a roll.
Second.
I thought June
No,
4th had made people
everybody-
more humble. Clearly it has not.
Yeah.
You have become even ruder and more obnoxious. I'm sorry, but go ahead.
Who has become ruder and obnoxious?
I'm trying to ask you a question.
Just a sec. Is this a personal comment on me?
It is a comment on someone who raises his
I will
voice
not be able
and
to
doesn't allow
participate.
anyone
Listen,
to speak.
Listen, Mr. Rathi, sir,
He's
this
also an Indian
You have
citizen.
sold your journalism. I don't want to come to that, please. And you are the rudest and the meanest anchor who tries to target the BJP. And you think I will take your nonsense? I will not. Abstain from making any personal comments. What? Okay, tell me, which are the articles that have to be amended in the Constitution? Tell me.
Can I
Rajiv
come
has
in
to
for
tell
a
me.
minute, please?
Don't, no, please, just
No,
wait.
no, I want to make
Tell
a
me,
point.
which
Please
are the
don't
articles
try
to
and
be
do this to
amended?
me.
He won't be able to tell you the articles of the
Amitabh
Constitution.
Tiwari,
Sorry.
since Mr.
And-
Gaurav Bhatia,
You are sitting...
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia,
Never make
your
personal
ability,
comment on
you
my
have,
party.
you are coming
Ever.
in this panel of 6, you've
Yes.
spoken the most and shouted
So,
the most. This
you-
audience can
you are
decide
the
that.
one who's
I'm not
biased
going to
the
get
most.
into it.
You are
I'm sorry.
biased to the Bharatiya
This audience
Janata
has
Party.
come here.
And I exercise my right. I ask you the article of the Constitution.
I am not
which
here.
needs to be amended. You
I am
don't even know. And you are anchoring the show.
गौरव जी
You
गौरव
can't. I'm just...
मैं आपसे सिर्फ एक बात बोलना चाह रही हूँ
मैं
गौरव
आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपको आर्टिकल
मैं
पता है?
आपसे एक बात पूछना
आपको
चाहती हूँ
आर्टिकल पता है?
मेरे
अगर
से
पता है तो
चिल्लाइए
बता
मत।
दीजिए।
लोग देखे यहाँ पे बैठे गौरव जी मैं आपसे एक बात
राजीव जी,
पूछना
मैं
चाह रही
आपसे
हूँ
आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ,
गौरव जी
if you ever make a personal comment on Narendra Modi ji or a BJP spokesperson, I will not take it.
What
Do
is,
you
what is the
understand?
personal comment we
You
made?
said mean. You said mean and shouting. Why?
Because you are.
can I make a statement for the benefit of this audience and for the
I will
benefit of the
not take it.
debate if we are
Sorry.
done with this
Sir, I will not
We
be...
are
No, listen.
sitting in-
No, one
Rahul,
second.
Rahul,
Rajdeep, just 1 second.
India today
Can I call?
I want to know the stand of
Okay,
India
1 second.
today.
I want to. We're running out of
Rahul,
time.
we are in Maharashtra.
We are
I just want to ask you one
Dare
thing.
you say
There
that
is a
again?
Maharashtra
Dare you say
audience
that?
here.
I warn you here.
Yeah,
I
Maharashtra-
warn you.
What are you doing?
Never ever make a personal comment
Please
about
show
my
me the
leader.
personal comment.
I
Please
will
show
tell
me.
you. I
What
will
was
tell.
the- what
How
was the
dare you
personal
say
comment?
that this nation will become a nation of one leader, Modi ji? How?
That's a
Tell
question.
me.
Am I not allowed to ask you a
Can I-
question?
How dare you?
Am I not? How
Has
dare?
he not
Are you
won 3 elections? Has he not won 3 elections?
Okay,
Are you-
Rajdeep.
Has he not
No,
won
1
3
second.
elections?
Are you
Listen,
threatening
how dare
me?
you?
Listen, Gaurav bhai.
Are you
Okay,
threatening me?
Rajdeep.
I am telling you, and I will enforce.
I let
all
this
these
audience
remedies.
decide the quality of people that we
Okay,
have in
please.
public life.
So, okay,
If the
one
quality
second.
is bad, listen,
second.
Rahul. No.
Okay,
Listen.
you
wait.
made your point.
Wait, no, I'm not. If
1
the-
second.
If the
Because we're, no, 1 second.
Rahul, please.
1 second. Faders down. I must call this
No.
debate. No, this is not
Can
right.
Do you stand for that? what
I
he
don't
said?
stand for any of what anyone is doing.
Does
You
the
made your
executive
point.
move say-
Gaurav bhai, you made your point.
Not that.
No, 1 second. I've got just a few minutes left before we wrap up. What I wish to do...
You cannot
as we
shout
wrap up-
at
No,
me
1
like
second,
this
Rajdeep,
now.
just drop this.
I've
One
been
second.
very patient.
Let's drop this.
You are not patient. You are
Gaurav bhai,
biased.
Gaurav bhai, you
And
made
that
a
is
point.
why I'm giving it back to you.
Gaurav, you made a
He
point.
doesn't.
You
What?
made a point. Now,
How?
you
How
can't...
could he say Narendra Modi ji,
I'm
one
not
nation,
agreeing.
one leader?
Hey, 1
I
second,
asked
you
you a
made
question.
a point.
Not an India
One
Today
second.
platform.
I asked you a question.
Rahul,
1
How
second.
dare you?
Okay,
Can I
Gaurav,
make a
Gaurav,
point?
you made a
Narendra
point. You
Modi
made a
ji
point.
has
Or is
won
it supposed
3
to be a wrap?
elections.
I want to make just one point.
No, 1 second.
यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र
Give me
के
1
लोग
minute.
He
Give me
has
1
won
minute.
3 elections. And your anchor dares
Okay,
to
1
say
second, you
in
made that
India
point. Gaurav
that
bhai.
he is one nation, one leader.
Made a point. We've heard you. 1
So
second.
why did he say that?
What is
He can.
this threatening?
Arey,
What
he's
is
made a
happening?
point. You've responded. Calm down.
So why
He
is this
said
a platform
something.
for Modi bashing?
You've responded. 1
Is this
second.
a platform for
There is no
Modi
Modi
bashing?
bashing happening. What are you saying? Okay.
Never ever
1
do that
second.
again.
1 second. Time out.
You know
Time out.
nothing about
Okay.
the
1 second.
constitution and you
Gaurav
want
bhai.
to deliberate
Gaurav
it.
bhai. 1 second. 1 second. Rajdeep.
You invited us.
Yes.
How dare he say
You-
that you are,
he
how
said
dare
I asked
something.
you a
You made a
question.
How dare he say?
I asked you a
Okay, I
question,
asked you.
sir.
Why are you
On this
asking me?
platform.
He's made a point.
I asked you a
You
question.
know what
we're going to do is,
This is
I'm
not
gonna
going to
just
serve
come
any
in.
purpose.
What we're
Okay,
going
one
to do
second,
is,
one second.
we're all going to
Don't
bring
threaten me, sir. Do not threaten.
Never ever do that
Okay,
again to my
1
party.
second.
Threaten again.
We're
Never
all
ever do
going
that
Just
to
1
again.
second.
not threaten, sir.
Here's what we're going to do.
I will give it back.
Gaurav bhai, okay, 1 second. Here's
Where I tell you. No.
here's what
I object.
you've made. How often will you object? You've objected. We've registered your objection. Now give everybody a chance. You're trying to monopolize the debate, which is not fair.
I'm sorry.
He's
I think I was
he's
making-
made a point. You've objected. We've heard
Yeah,
you.
this is
Now
not
calm
an
down.
anti-BJP platform.
There is no anti-BJP platform.
So please.
You've made a point. We've heard you. Now thande ho jao. Okay, 1 second. We're running
Please
out of
do that.
time. It's time also for lunch. I want, in the interest of fairness, to give everybody 30 seconds each to make concluding comments. Let's again try and raise the level of the debate. I'll start
these
with Supriya.
anchors?
So you got
By these anchors?
You can't keep making the same point again and again. You made that
Can't
point.
be making personal
You
comments.
cannot make the same point again and again. Supriya
I will.
Shrineth,
I
final
will,
points.
Rahul.
Final words. Will you let others speak, please? Supriya Shrineth, final words.
We are sitting in Mumbai. महाराष्ट्र का जो चुनाव हरियाणा और जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ करा नहीं पाए, बात कर रहे हैं वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन की। असलियत तो ये है। And I want to tell this audience, I am sorry for what happened here. I am sorry on the behalf of political parties and politicians at large. We wasted your time. I am sorry about that. You should apologize too.
Okay, 1 second. Gaurav, you've spoken enough. Hitesh,
No,
I'll
sorry.
come to you last. I'll
Sorry,
come.
no, no,
You
I
cannot
need to
decide
speak.
when you will speak. I'm sorry.
No, Rahul,
Hitesh
this
Jain,
is-
I give you 30 seconds to make your final points. Yes, please.
Rahul, time for one nation, one election has come. I don't think this is an adversarial debate, but this is a topic on which we should rise and keep the national interest above the political interest.
Amitabh Tiwari, 30 seconds.
See, it is a disruptive idea and it needs much wider consultations because in the committee report itself, the cost benefit is not mentioned. How much money ECI is going to save by conducting simultaneous elections is not mentioned. The benefits are largely intangible, which is very, very difficult to quantify. So we need much wider consultations.
Which is the idea,
And-
which is
and
why
Rahul-
we did this.
and Rahul-
You've spoken now.
Just- no,
Supriya ji.
this is for your benefit.
Now you will allow.
Give
I am-
everyone
Now
a
you will
I'm not
allow.
allowing it.
Supriya,
I'm
you
not
can't.
allowing it.
No, Supriya,
Jagdeep ji.
Jagdeep
One
spoken.
second. Jagdeep ji, 30 seconds to make your final comments.
I am sorry I came to participate in the conclave because I did not come for this that has happened here, and I have nothing more to say. If this is the way politics in the country is going to be run, we can have one nation, one election, 2,000 nations, 5,000 elections. It is not going to make any difference.
Gaurav Bhatia,
can I
30
just
seconds.
get my 30 seconds?
Okay, fine. आप भी.
My 30 seconds is this. We have a show, elections on my plate. You do Jab We Met. We go to different parts of this wonderful country. I've come back from Haryana. I was earlier in Jammu and Kashmir. I only hope one nation, one election doesn't prevent us from doing that. We want to celebrate each and every corner of the greatest country in
And
the
your
world.
money minting conclave.
Just a minute.
One
Ma'am,
second.
allow
Let-
me to finish.
Let Gaurav
The
Bhatia.
only way you can celebrate this country, allow every Indian to
By
express
calling
himself,
names to the Prime
is
Minister, you will celebrate.
Just a minute, sir. I will replay that. I want the audience. I asked a question. Is this about one nation, one election, or one nation, one election, one leader? That's the question I asked. If you feel that's an attack on the Prime Minister, I am more than willing to apologize for it. मेरा दिल बहुत बड़ा है. You don't know how big my chest is, but I won't refer to my chest. I only will refer to the
Now,
fact.
this is all
Okay,
And I
Rajiv,
remain-
now you're
I
doing more
remain-
than 30 seconds.
That's the whole problem.
Gaurav Bhatia, 30 seconds. खत्म करो.
India is proud of Narendra Modi ji. He is a leader who has won 3 elections in a row. Remember that. Two, I want to make it very clear that one nation, one poll is a necessity. It's not an article of luxury. Read the constitution. I will tell you, read Article 83, read Article 368, and you will come to know why it's important. And you, as a citizen, have one vote. Gaurav Bhatia, as a citizen, has one vote. By being in minority, you have no right to dictate terms what the country will do. And I will end by a couplet. इन्हें गुमा है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, इन्हें गुमा है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, मुझे पर यकीन है पूरा आसमान कम है. ये है भारतीय जनता पार्टी and the citizenry of the country.